Welcome to another video from DD Aerial Photography. You can see here we are at the Village of Edenfield. Sorry about that. Okay, like I was saying, here we are at the Village of LaGrange. Alright, we're going to show you the Village of Edenfield, the Village of LaGrange, and part of Oak Hollow that's being built out. So stay tuned. I did bring the trusted Tundra because we got a lot of driving to do. Alright, here we are at McNeil Drive and Bexley Trail. We're heading south. You can see the villas that they have built up here on the north side of Edenfield. You can see the designer and premier homes they're building along Edenfield Run. You can see they're getting a lot of them done down through here. And we're just going to head on south all the way down to the softball fields down at Eastport. We're going to follow Bexley Trail on the left hand side of the screen there. If anybody is looking for a home build video package, give me an email. Send me an email at ddaerialphotographytv@gmail.com. That is ddaerialphotographytv as in true value @gmail.com. Home photo build package is only $350. Softball fields are looking good. They water them all the time. Right here we are at Bexley Trail and Corbin Trail. We're heading west. Looking down here at the bottom of LaGrange. Please like, share, subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. It helps the algorithm. If you can put down in the comments what you like most about my videos, I would appreciate it. Or there's something you'd like to see different in my videos, leave a comment. If you look at the top of the screen, that's the way we're looking from the drone. So we're looking northwest here, and now we're looking north. I put that out. I put that throughout the whole video so you know which way we're looking. So if you're looking at a house or a lot, you want to know if it's facing east or west, which is good to know in the evening with the setting sun. This is the Woodlands Championship Golf Course. And this is the Edenfield Run. I guess it's like a loop, big circle. The Edenfield comes down here and does a big loop and comes back and connects to itself. Look at all the houses they got started down there. Here's the Mirandas at Edenfield. We'll come by and fly over that and get a better look. Alright, here's the Mirandas of Edenfield. And check out the Mirandas on the left hand side. And they all got a nice water view looking over towards the golf course. They really shouldn't have to worry about golfers hitting the ball in their yard. Alright, this is the Oak Hollow Villas. They're getting them all built. And check out that villa down there. That's a very large bird cage to have on a villa. I wonder how many people are going to be in the lottery for that villa. As we come around to this other side, check out this. Check out the yard on this villa, and look, it looks like a double wide. This is the Oak Hollow verandas, and look at the verandas on the right. We'll come back and look at those a little closer. but those are all facing east, looking over a lake. Got a nice lake view. Here's the verandas. You can see it, they're working really hard on them. They're all under roof. They're gonna have sod on. They'll have sod on these real soon. They'll have sod down on these verandas. They'll have the sod down on the yards of these verandas real soon. Here we are looking east over Bexley Trail, and you can see the development that's going on out through there. They're just doing the infrastructure, running the water lines and the electrical lines down through there. They haven't got any roads started, but you can see where the roads are going to be at. But they don't have the road bed started or anything. They got some small retention ponds. Get the bicyclers down there on Bexley Trail headed north. And as we go across 470 here, or Central Parkway, check out the construction going on down through here. You can see where they have the roads are at, the lots are at. I think they're going to start building down south down through here first, and then work their way back up north, just like they did with Shady Brook and Moultrie Creek. So like I said, as we go back north, we fly over this area and you see the little retention ponds, but you don't see the roads like you do on the south side of 470 there. But they do have the water lines and the electrical lines all buried down through here, so that they do know where the roads are, where the lots are going. I do believe they're going to start south of 470 first. Alright, here we are at Edenfield Lake. I named it. That's what it's called, Edenfield Lake. See the Woodlands Championship golf course there on the left hand side, looking good. Got the verandas on the right side. You have some premier and designer homes down here on the water. Checking out the golf course. It's a nice lake. And you can see the turnpike and Bexley Bridge up there, top of the screen. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And here's another video that YouTube thinks that you'll enjoy of mine.